Hello everyone, welcome in. How is everybody doing? Hope everyone's well. It's nice to see you here. I want to welcome all my new subscribers, and it's just lovely to be here today. It's a while since I've done one of these videos, which is like a few purchases that I've done, and one of them is my sock yarn subscription from Beehive Yarns. Everything that I talk about will be in the description box below. And my name's Linda. It's going to be one of them days, guys, one of them days. But I hope everyone is well. It's a miserable, dank fall day here in the UK, and as I said, everything that I'm talking about, all the links and everything else where you can find me on Ravelry, Instagram, Facebook, are all in the description box below. But anyway, welcome. The first thing I want to talk about is I'm part of a group called The Challengers, and we meet every last Saturday of the month live on YouTube, and we challenge each other. We pick a challenge to see through the year, and just to inspire and just make us accountable for what we're doing. It's a lot of fun. We encourage you to come up and join us and tell us what your challenge is, whether it's you want to finish a project that you've had lying around for a couple of years, or it's something new you want to learn. This year my challenge was to learn how to do the waffle stitch, which I did, and to make 6 wearables, which I actually made 10. So anyway, next year, I'm waffling on, sorry. My challenge for me is to do colour work, both in crochet and knitting. And I treated myself to this Knitovation Stitch Dictionary. And it's got all the different motifs. I've actually purchased this off Instagram. And there's 150 plus modern colour knitting motifs. And I just want to share with you just a few pictures. So I'm going to have a play, and this year I'm going to have a really good play. Look at all the different styles, the same pattern, different yarns. And that's the beauty of knitting or crochet. You can do the same pattern but with different weights of yarn, different colours, different textures. And it's a really good book. It tells you how, so it goes through the different yarns, and I'm going to enjoy having a read of this. So it goes through all the different yarns and their blending, cotton, nylon blend, look at that one, and then you look at the difference in the textures. So it's a really good book. Let me see if I can pick one. Look at the pussycats, and there's all Halloween. Is it Halloween? Oh no, chess sets. You've got a snowman, dinosaur, tortoise, sailboats, moon phases, an airplane. So I'm going to have a bit of a play. Dolphin, reindeer, the deep, windmill, post-apocalypse, a boot, gingerbread person, a crab, garden gnome. Oh, that might be a good idea. Not a garden gnome. Maybe do one of them in a sock. So that is what I bought. I'm going to have a good read of it, and yeah, so why not, if you're thinking about doing colour work, why not treat yourself? So that's that. And then I made a little, what I'm doing, I've been in the process of doing this past 12 months, if I can find the scissors, where have they gone? Oh, there they are. Is building on my circular needle collection, the sizes, and And of course I bought some, let me just get in here a bit without, so I've made a little purchase from my local yarn shop online, and I bought some sock yarn, and I bought some Knit Pro needles. So let's see what I've got. So now don't be surprised at what I purchased, guys. Don't be surprised at the colour. Sorry about the... So I got myself, ooh, I got the Knit Pro Symphony and the 3.25. As I said, I'm building up my interchangeable needle sizes. So yeah, so I got that one. And then I bought some sock yay. And this is the first sock yarn that I use to make socks. And this is superwash merino and nylon. It's 50 grams, 212 meters, 213 yards. But I got solid colour. So this is quartz. So I've got two of them. Got two of them. And then I think it's pink, ruby. Isn't that lovely? So I thought maybe of doing something like that together. What do you think? Let me get the things out of the way. What do you think? Yeah, so I got them. So I got them, which is sock yarn, which is adds to my little collection. And for the past 12 months, before I go anywhere else, and in the magazine from Black Sheep Wools, Black Sheep Wools have been around for 40 years, and Sarah's parents started it. And I think patterns designed by Sarah, and it's like a little magazine, so we'll have fun. And these are some of the patterns, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, one of the patterns, yes, there's a pattern in here. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? And yeah. Oh, there's lots of patterns in here. I think it's full of patterns. Oh, how fab is that? I've got 4 patterns. A man's sweater. And then I think there's another pattern which is my favourite actually. It's a colour work one. That's nice, isn't it? So yeah, so that was in my yarn haul from Black Sheep Wools. So thank you so much, Black Sheep Wools. And happy anniversary. So that is the purchase. Now moving on. Beehive Yarns, love their yarn, absolutely love it. I made my Radiate sweater by Hoagie Locatelli using their yarn, and I was so impressed that I decided this year, that I would do their sock yarn. Excuse the crackle. I would do their sock, their monthly sock yarn. And this month, it's always, it's the Simple Pleasure, it's called the Simple Pleasures Yarn Club. And I get a skein of sock yarn every month. Let's just open it and see what I've got today. I've got some tea, chamomile tea. I always get a tea. And I've got Relax, Turn Off Your Mind, Relax and Float Downstream by John Lennon. And that is the inspiration for the colours of the yarn. Isn't it beautiful? And then I got a sticker. I've got a lovely little sticker which is going to go on my cupboard. My little unit here by the side of my chair. And this is, oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Isn't that just divine? Look at all the speckles. I love a good speckled yarn. And I think Beth from Beehive Yarns hits it on hits the nail on the head. Isn't that just gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. Love it, absolutely love it. So beautiful, absolutely, and it's so soft. And this is called Relax Simple Pleasures Yarn Club, Audrey Classic Sock, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 100 grams, 425 meters, 465 yards. Easy get a pair of socks out of that for me. Easy. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Absolutely. But the speckles, I can't get over the speckles. Just love them. So thank you so much, Beth. So that is the inspiration, as you can see, for the yarn for this month. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So I think that's all from me for today. Just a few little bits and bobs that I've purchased over the past 6 weeks, I think. Yeah, I've slowed down on my purchasing considering everything that I spent while I was in Turkey on holiday. I've not bought as much yarn, yeah, and it's the lovely yarn like this that floats my boat. So I hope everybody is well. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.